Hi, this is the USS Lexington, a World War II aircraft carrier. The Lexington was commissioned in February of 1943 and was decommissioned in 1991. The Lexington had an active service life longer than any other aircraft carrier in the world. Following her decommissioning, she was donated for use as a museum in Corpus Christi, Texas, in the beautiful Corpus Christi Bay. It does cost a few bucks to get in, but they offer a discount for seniors and military. This tour took me 2 hours to complete. Expect a little more time than that if you plan on eating or watching movies. There are 5 self-guided tours that begin and end on the hangar deck. It has a gift shop, 3D theater, food court, and a flight simulator. The USS Lexington was nicknamed the Blue Ghost after she was reportedly sunk 4 times by Japanese propagandist Tokyo Rose, and was the first foreign carrier to enter Tokyo Bay. The flight deck, one of the ship's most popular tours with lots of aircraft history, where you can get a close-up look at the aircraft and anti-aircraft guns. The Lexington could store 440,000 gallons of aviation fuel and carry up to 100 planes. The flight deck is 910 feet long.
Rotating left and right, and guns quickly changing elevation. The air was thick with the acrid odor of burnt black gunpowder and oily mist from the hydraulically powered machinery, which made the gun deck slippery. Grave injuries resulted if anyone slipped or fell on or under one of the guns.
During World War II, the carrier participated in nearly every major operation in the Pacific. Her planes destroyed 372 enemy aircraft in the air and 475 more on the ground. She sank or destroyed 300,000 tons of enemy cargo and damaged an additional 600,000 tons. She set more records than any other aircraft carrier. I'm in the lower decks of the ship, which has the dental clinic, engine room, living quarters, and a scale model gallery, which displays over 400 models. This self-sufficient ship had 3,500 beds, approximately 3,000 sailors, and was the first ship to have women stationed aboard as crew members.
As you continue through the dental clinic, look carefully at the photos and you will see the changes that took place, or just cleaning. You can get it all right in here.
The ship has 4 Westinghouse steam turbine engines that produced 150,000 horsepower. It could carry enough fuel to sail non-stop for 30,000 miles. And in its life, it sailed 209,000 miles. That's equivalent to 8 times around the world.
The machining is a process in which a cutting tool is used to remove small chips of material from the workpiece. To perform the operation, relative motion is required between the tool and the work.
Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, Sunday, December 7, 1941.
This is the captain's quarters of Admiral Felix Stump. He joined the U.S. Navy Academy in 1913 and served until 1958. He participated in World War I and World War II. He has received many awards and had a destroyer named after him. He died in June 1972 at the age of 77.